Hello everybody. I got question about rolling Helix bike with handles. So I will show you how it works with Brompton and with Helix bike. So normally you can roll it with your seat post, but you can roll it also with handles. But when it's rolling with handles and the seat is quite high, you can easily open the bicycle where is some hole or something like this. Yeah. So Helix bike, it's holding together with this part, and standard position to roll it is grab it on the seat post and little twist it to the side, and very easily you can move like this. And I got questioned about rolling Helix with handlebars. So you can do it, also twist it to the side and move, but it's not so comfortable like to grab it on the seat post, because the hand is in another position. So you can do it, but it's not so comfortable like holding it this way and turning here and go like this. So for my experience after 2 months of using, I prefer Helix bike for rolling with these bigger wheels, and also with this different surface. When it's not so smooth surface, this one is much better than Brompton.